Hey guys, today we're going to be filling a letter in Dusty and adding a little bit of detail with just one color. This technique works well if you don't have a lot of colors. You can still make something that looks pretty cool. If you have chalk, that would be better than what I'm using, which is a highlighter to outline my letter, because you only get one chance to outline this shape here. That first initial sketch that you lay down, if you want this to come out correctly and look clean and uniform, you only have this one chance to get this initial outline. So we're doing the A, and this is a caramel color, perhaps. Maybe you could say it's similar to a terracotta color. It's Rust-Oleum. I can't remember the exact color, but it is Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X with a cap adapter and an NY fat, I believe. So I'm not really happy with, that initial sketch, but you only get one chance. So now that that's laid down, we're gonna very dustily fill in. We're not gonna go too close. We're not gonna make it solid. We're gonna try and make it, it's almost like a transparent look. You wanna make it look transparent. And you'll notice how I'm going the entire length of the section that I'm filling out, because if you don't do that, it's going to look really scratchy. You're going to be able to see those scribbles. So you want to make sure that all those strokes that you're making with the can are going in the same direction, and they're filling out the entirety of it to make it look uniform in like one solid letter. Otherwise, it's going to look like you scribbled with a crayon to fill it in, and it does not add anything to the look of this. So this right here, I'm trying to add detail by filling out one area with some shading so it looks like there's some depth to the letter. It didn't turn out that well for me. With a, like a can of Montana or something, it might come out better. Here's where the fun begins, is the bubbles. Adding these bubbles, I love bubbles. Adding them just gives so much detail to something very easily. So this is the whole technique is hinged on this right here. You fill in very dusty, and then you come back in with the color and you make solid shapes. So I did some bubbles here. I'm trying to do drips here. I didn't like the way that they turned out, so I wish I didn't do them. But if you're good at this sort of thing, or if you've got like Montana or any other sort of professional spray paint, it'll come out much better for you. And then we're adding stars here. I just draw a star from corner to corner, and then I fill it in. And I like the star and bubble look. It's really cool. So, yeah. And so here we go. Some stars. And then at the last minute, I decided to add some color, just because I felt like one color's too simple. So let's say if you've got two colors, you can copy this technique, and that's much better than having to do 4 or 5 colors to add detail, So, because usually you'd have to fill in like a solid color like that brown, and then you'd have to do like tan bubbles over it, and you need all these different colors to add detail. This way, you just have one color and you're able to add detail. So we've got the little green cloud around it, and I just do bubbles on the outside of that. And then it's time to outline, and I'm just outlining in black with a hardcore, Montana hardcore. And I didn't use the proper cap, but that's all right. And then we're gonna do the 3D, all one direction, just plain black. I was able to fix the shape of that hole in the A when I added the 3D. So there's a little bit of leeway there. And that's about it. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm going to have some more stuff coming up here pretty soon. More tutorials, product reviews, tips and tricks. Overall, this is a good technique if you are on a budget. I enjoyed it. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good day.